Today I'll be preparing a pre-mixed batch of chicken grains for autumn to winter season, just as the hens are going through their annual molt. I usually begin preparing this mix as autumn approaches and egg production starts to slow down. During molting, chickens need extra nutrition to support feather growth and to keep warm during the colder months. For this winter grain mix, you'll need weighing scale, large scoop, stock feed grains consisting of whole wheat, whole oats, whole barley, sorghum milo, black sunflower seeds, and whole corn maize, sealable plastic containers, and large storage container for mixing feed in. For winter, I use 6 different types of stock feed grain. During molting season, chickens need additional fats and energy to concentrate on growing new feathers. This combination provides a balanced, high-energy mix for the colder months. The protein content in this mix is approximately 16%. Wheat forms a solid base for the mix and provides carbohydrates and protein. Oats are excellent for winter feeding. They provide fibre and keeps the hens satisfied. Barley adds additional energy and variety to the mix. Sorghum is another excellent energy grain, especially useful during colder weather. Black sunflower seeds are very important in winter. They are high in oil and fat, which helps support feather growth and keeps chickens warm. Corn provides high energy and helps maintain body heat during the colder months. Here is everything I'll be using to pre-mix my winter chicken grain feed. I always weigh each grain to keep the mix consistent. Weigh wheat to approximately 520 grams, 18.3 ounces. Tare scale. Once I've added the correct amount, I tare the scale before adding the next grain. Weigh oats to approximately 360 grams, 12.7 ounces. Weigh barley to approximately 1,120 grams, 39.5 ounces. Weigh sorghum to approximately 520 grams, 18.3 ounces. Weigh sunflower seeds to approximately 640 grams, 22.6 ounces. Weigh maize to approximately 360 grams, 12.7 ounces. Turn off scale. This entire mixture weighs approximately 3.5 kilograms, 124 ounces. I like to mix thoroughly to ensure every scoop the chickens get contains a balanced combination of grains. I use a variety of mixing techniques, from scooping from bottom and tossing upward, circular folding motions, and turning grain from different sides. If you're preparing a larger batch, it may take a bit longer to mix evenly. Just take your time and make sure everything is well incorporated. Scoop the mixed grain into sealable storage containers. Shake little to compress the feed. First container full, secure lid. Go to the second container, fill the rest. I am only showing a small batch here. My chickens would easily eat this within a short period of time. Normally I prepare between 15 and 20 kilograms, 33 and 44 pounds at once, which lasts several weeks. If I need more, I simply repeat the weighing and mixing process until I reach the required amount. This is my winter chicken grain mix that I prepare each year during molting season. In the near future, I'll be sharing another video showing how I prepare chicken feed for the summer months, where nutritional needs are quite different. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like and consider subscribing to follow along with more homestead content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Jubilant Chicken Raising.